Hey guys, welcome to Valz Media. I'm Omina Valentine. So in today's video, we are going to be learning on how to export your high quality photos using Adobe Lightroom CC, keeping that quality the same. So yeah, this video is for those of you that loves to take photos and love to get your photos output in JPEG using Adobe Lightroom in the quickest format ever. So stay tuned. This is going to be a 1 minute or 1 minute Friday. Okay, let's not do Peter McKinnon here. So, but we're going to be quick about this tutorial. Hit the time on the clock. Bam! I'm just kidding. So yeah, we are going to be learning how to export using Adobe Lightroom. So yeah, this is my screen, and this is a photo I took when I went back to the former place I stayed at, Tejo Shoyaba in Nigeria. So yeah, these photos of my neighbor's children and just having fun in front of the camera, and you know. So this photo will be edited, and we are going to be exporting this in the highest quality ever that I could imagine. So we're going to be keeping this quality same. We're going to be keeping this quality same. So yeah, you head over to the file in your tab, then you go down to export. So this dialog box appears. So I'm going to be explaining these parameters or this section one by one for you guys to have a clear understanding of what this exporting dialog is all about. So yeah, we have the export location. This export location is where you actually want your file to go when you export it. So yeah, it's actually my pictures, and so it's like kind of create a subfolder for you if you want to put that picture in a subfolder. So in my picture, we know I have a lot of pictures in my picture folder, so I'm going to create a new subfolder we're going to take this picture in. So I'll just say happy children, happy children, happy children, happy children. So yeah, happy children. And so go down to this file naming. This is if you want to do like a bulk export. You understand? When doing a bulk export, you know, the file can have the same parameters like this img 6 point blah 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 blah. So this file renaming, you could just rename the file like putting numbers at the end of the file in brackets. I hope you've seen that before. So this file renaming is when you're doing a bulk export. So you want to rename all your files so that they don't like replace the files with the newer ones. So that's what the file renaming does. Yeah, so now going down to this video tab, I haven't really touched this video section at all because I haven't edited video using Adobe Lightroom. So now this file setting, this is where you want to keep your high resolution, your file setting, and your image sizing. Okay, this is where you want to keep your resolution at the highest point ever, because when exporting with Adobe Lightroom, I think it kind of reduces, or yeah, it kind of due to the quality of the photos if you're shooting in RAW or any other format. You get, so this Adobe like kind of reduces it, so we need to like take it to the highest point ever. But right now this is like 2000 kilobyte, which is roughly 2 MB. Yeah, this is 2 MB. So this was when I wanted to export something, and so let's just take this to like 5000. Yeah, 5000 is better, which is like 5 MB and beyond, or 5 MB lower. But if you're doing a 2 MB, it might either be lower. Yeah, it will actually be lower. It can be more than 2 MB. Okay, yeah, so now the image sizing. Okay, the image sizing is where you put in your resolution. Most of you that use Photoshop should understand this section actually. So your resolution, my resolution is mostly at 500. Okay, and here we have our metadata. But this one, I don't really touch this section. The reason is because I don't really understand it, so I don't use metadata in my photos. So now down to your watermarking. This is if you want to add some watermark to your image, letting them know that you took that photo. But in this age, I don't know who does that, so I did that before. But yeah, that's what the watermark is all about. So I think that's all I know about exporting high quality using Adobe Lightroom. So we'll click on export, and the file tab here says exporting one file. So voila, our file has been exported. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks so much for subscribing, and I need you guys to also put a thumbs up on this video and smash that subscribe button if you love this video. And also, I will see you in the next video. Peace.